Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this week's unboxing video. Today I have another unboxing for you guys from Dealextreme. So this is a Dealextreme package, as you guys can see. So on the front is my address information and stuff. I've covered it up. On the back it says knives and tools. I'm not sure if you can see that. It says knives and tools. And right here it says it was shipped on the 20th of October and it was received today on the 31st of October. So it took pretty fast, 11 days to get to me, so it's pretty fast. And it's another knife, yes, again it's another knife from Dealextreme, so that I have more knives to collect and keep. So this is one of the very good knife I have, very sharp. I'm going to use this to unbox the package today. I can open the package easily. Nothing else in the package except for this knife, the SR branded knife, which is apparently the same knife brand as this. It says SR Columbia right here, not sure if you can see that. And another one of my knife, a 14.4 cm knife, is also SR Columbia knife. It's the same brand as this one. So very nice knife. The box is very nice. So let's get into the box. Comes with a pouch. A nylon pouch with a belt loop on the back. Belt loop on the back, a nylon pouch. Same writing as the other one. So nicely. This plastic bag, the knife is in the plastic bag. Take it out. So this knife, very nice knife, full metal construction knife. Just a little bit of oil stain right there. No worries though. Very nice knife, as you guys can see. There's a very different locking mechanism right here. This is a different locking mechanism. Full metal construction. On the back of the knife there is a belt clip with 2 Torx screws on the top, as you can see. This is a lanyard holder, I believe. A lanyard holder for you to put through a lanyard to hang it or something. And this belt clip is very strong. And this knife is very nice. SR says SR right here. You can open up with either this thing for you to push, or you can use this for you to put your thumb in. So to open this knife, you just simply push this, or you can put your thumb in here and just open it. Very nice, as you can see. It's super nice. Full metal construction knife. The blade is slightly shorter than the body of the knife, or the handle of the knife, but yeah, it's very nice. The handle looks very nice with this design. SR again, it says here Columbia, USA here, USA Saber or something, Columbia. And yeah, very nice, again. Very special locking mechanism, which you just press and it unlocks, and you can close it. So it's a very safe locking mechanism. Locks the blade in place. You can't close it. Locks the blade right in place with this special locking mechanism. Just push it up and you're done. Close. So let's test out the sharpness of the knife. It feels pretty sharp. So wow, this really sharp knife. You can see, cuts through very easily. Show you guys a few more times. You can see, as you can see from the video, I'm not applying much pressure, just lightly cutting through the package, and it's already cutting through the package very well. So if I apply a little bit of pressure, let's see how much you can cut. Just a little bit. Wow, and it cuts through until the table. I don't know if you can see the line, but yeah, it cuts through just by a little bit of pressure. Wow, very nice knife, very sharp out of the box. I'll show you guys again. See, it's really sharp. Wow, surprised. I'm surprised. Really sharp. Wow, this is really sharp. So highly recommend it. Sharpness, I'll give it a 10 out of 10 or 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. So for sharpness, I'll give this knife a 5 out of 5 stars for sharpness. It's very sharp. Cuts through easily. And for the price, as you guys can see, it's only $6.50, and it's really a great knife for the price. And for the price, I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 again. As for the usefulness of this knife, I'll give it a 5 out of 5 stars because I'm using this knife for more unboxing purposes and stuff, and it's really useful for me. The overall rating will be around 4.5 to 5 stars out of 5 stars. So because it's a really good knife, highly recommend it. Very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. If you like this unboxing video, please give it a like rating. I really appreciate it a lot, and it really encourages me to do more videos. So I'm saying a like rating on this video. Please subscribe for more unboxing videos to come up soon, or any other videos that I will post weekly. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. If you want to email me, or for any other things that you want to ask, if you can't leave a comment for some reason, you can email me. My email address can be found in my channel description. So go check it out, and send me any questions you have. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this week's unboxing video, and have a nice day.